Today I am building the newsletter digest workflow for Elly and Cameron from the free school community that they have answered that they want AI newsletter summarizers. And this will be the schema that we will follow. This will be multiple sources that are going to income into our agents, that we're going to summarize them, key points, links, titles, and etc. We're going to save them to sheets. So whole week, this newsletter digests workflow is going to collect all of the newsletters that are coming to our emails, YouTube transcripts, and RSS feeds. And in the end of the week, Saturday, it's going to make a weekly digest, filter this week's items, compile and add action tips to each of them, and it's going to send to us via email, and it's going to mark them as processed. So next week it's going to process the new ones. I have already built the system. This is how it would look, and let me show you in action. So after that I'm going to show step by step, and if you want to straight away to download it, just link in the description. So what it does is it gets all of the emails that are marked as a newsletters from my email. So in order to mark them as newsletters, I showed in the previous videos, I'm going to attach it here, how to make an email sorter for your email. So we're going to filter all of the newsletters here. We're going to get all of the YouTube videos that are from the last week for whatever channel you want to use. I'm going to use Matt Wolf's channel. In order to get the channel ID, you just come, share, and copy channel ID. And then the last one is going to be RSS feeds. You can add as many RSS feeds as you want. Just news, Crunchbase. This is AI news. And then I'm sorting them to newest ones, getting the transcript of the video, and we're going to fill them into a Google Sheet. This will be the Google Sheet. So let's delete this and let's process. We will start the workflow from first one. This will run every day, for example, at midnight. So it will get the new emails and videos to our Google Sheet. It's getting the transcript of the videos, getting the RSS feed news, 14 items, and each of them are going to be summarized and uploaded to our newsletter digest. And they are going to be marked as unprocessed. Okay. Digesting as finished. Now we have all of the newsletters with their links. And now what this workflow is gonna do, we have a schedule trigger to run every Saturday on 10 a.m. When you sit on Saturday morning to drink your coffee, during the whole week you cannot spend any time of seeing any news or anything. You can look after your work and your important stuff, and on Saturday morning with your coffee, this will compile your whole week of information, summarize it to you. You can customize if you want for your business as well, and it will send you the email in a good format. Let's now run the second one. This is Saturday morning. It's going to get all of the information from here. It's going to go and digest it and compile it to one email and add action items to each one of them. And this will turn it into a nice looking HTML, and it will send it to us to check. I will come back when the email is ready. And also I'm gonna test now with this workflow with Mistral model, and after that I'm gonna put the best model of ChatGPT to test it and best model of Gemini to test it. So we're gonna see same information of newsletters summarized by another models and 3 different type of newsletters to see which one is gonna perform better. And this is the email that we've got. Weekly digest of AI innovation, market trends, and actionable insights. Hi there, busy learner with blogs. Virtual event of Airtable team. You can register for the event from the link. Submagic, introducing AI auto edit, the new way to edit videos. YouTube, you can watch the video straight away. Crunchbase news, all of the news with action tips. And if you click read more, it's straight away leading you to the full post. And that's it. This is the video that is attached. Which action you will try first week, whether it's registering, and etc. And this is the newsletter that Mistral has created. Now what I'm gonna do, the only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this and this notes with ChatGPT newest model to see how it's gonna perform, and after that with Gemini, and I'm gonna straight away show you the show you the email directly of their results. So let's see how they are thinking. So because of Mistral, I was using DevStraw here, the coding model, and on the left side I've been using Mistral large here to digest the email. I'm going to use the newest model and the big model of ChatGPT, which is going to be 5.2. And on this one, because I was using the small model, I'm going to use GPT-5 Nano for the summaries. And let's make another sheet with the same headings. So we're going to use this one. And let's run now to see how ChatGPT is going to make our newsletter. GPT-5 Nano is so slow, I'm going to stop it and use 4.1. Or is there 4.1 Nano? Yeah, save and run it again. No, it's way faster. So I'm using 4.1 Nano. Okay, finished. All of our emails are here now. So now I'm gonna run AI Digest compiler with 5.2, and here I'm gonna run with 5.2 codex, so it's gonna make the HTML and send it to me. Let's see if we got, yeah, sheet 2. Okay, we've got an error, so we cannot use 5.2 codex. So let's check 5.1 codex. No, so I'm just gonna use normal 5.2 again, because I cannot use the code model. So GPT 5.2. I've got another error from ChatGPT. Again, the requested timeout has been hit. Now I increased the timeout seconds, and let's see if it's gonna be able to make it. 3 errors in one thing, and they tell Mistral is bad. Mistral is really good, working without any problems. Okay, have it ready. It took more than 10 minutes to handle these errors and etc. So let's see the email if it's worth the waiting. Okay, this is the weekly digest of ChatGPT. The date is here. Okay, table, open original. We've got their table link. Let's see. Okay, good. Virtual event. Link is not provided. This is good that it says it's not provided. It's good. Okay, Gamer's Dream, Legion, YouTube. Legion Pro rollable.
This is still a concept, but damn, it was really cool. The Legion Pro rollable starts as a normal.
It's getting the transcript of the short video. Okay. Story is done. Open original and etc. All action. Run top 3 tasks. Okay. This is really good. Okay, good. Let's now try Gemini, and I'm gonna come back again. Here, Gemini 2.5 Flash is gonna summarize the news, and here 3 Pro is gonna make the digest, and 3 Pro is gonna make the HTML code as well. So let's run and see how it's gonna go. Okay, it's going pretty good. While this is working, let me show you the main thinking behind this newsletter. So the thing is that when you have a newsletter, or when you want to digest the newsletter, you have to know where you're gonna get all of these news and etc. So this RSS read is reading YouTube feeds, video XML, and when you put the channel ID here, you can get all of the videos of people that all of the videos of this channel, and then you can do whatever you want with them. This is super data. And get transcript. You can just put the link and get the transcription of the video. 100 transcripts per month, I think, for free. So you are good to go. Here we are getting all of our messages, which are here received after, we're gonna say, -7 days. So they are received after 7 days before. So this week, and label name newsletter. You can check from the previous video where is the newsletter, that you can use the workflow in order to sort your emails. And this RSS read is just RSS feeds that are news. And here, this link you can use. Let me put it into workflow. So RSS feed. This is the link that you can use to get all type of RSS feeds straight away for machine learning, AI, and etc. All of the links, these are the feeds, so you can use them in order to digest them. And then what we are doing, we are merging all of the items, all of the formats into one, and giving all merged items, 14 items, into the AI agent. Then we say it's gonna summarize them to summary, action, tip, title, link, and source. If you want, you can do another items here or format. So if you have some, let's say, opposite view or thing to know or something in your newsletter, you can add them there. After that, we are appending them into the row in Google Sheet so we can process them later, and we say unprocessed. And this is the high level view of it. After that, we are saving it, and then weekly trigger. This can be daily trigger if you want, but I'm using weekly now. So let's clear the execution and run it, as we have already everything is done. So what it does is it's getting the rows which are for processing, so unprocessed, and then aggregate them into one, all items into one single list. This is compiling everything, so it's getting everything from the previous notes, and it says compile the following newsletter, article, video summaries into a single weekly digest for busy learners. For each item, include title, key points, action, tip, and link. Group by source. Start with friendly intro. You can see how short it is. And output, subject, and text, so I can send. And here the coding agents, it's HTML. So here we are inputting the whole email text, and then we are saying you are an expert email designer. Format the following newsletter digest into a beautiful mobile-friendly HTML using visual, distinct blocks, and etc. Gmail. Use orange, I said, because it's my color to main accent. Headings and CTA and etc. And just say output HTML. So we can get the HTML output and send it via email. And that's it. This is the whole workflow, how you can make the digestion. Here you can put as many inputs as you want and have them into one Google Sheet, so you can know and access them through another workflow, which can make the whole newsletter email that you're gonna digest, and then you're gonna make it to HTML. So every week you can make different type of HTML, or if you have a template, here you can say to this digest compiler to output the template placeholder. So for example, first part is main text AI news, second part is some drama or something, part is some links or tools to use, and etc. And then use the template and just drag and drop the placeholders, and that's it. And you're not gonna spend any tokens then to generate this whole code of HTML every time, because it's gonna spend money. With Mistral it's gonna be free, but with Gemini, ChatGPT, and etc. it's gonna be paid. So let's see the email of Gemini. Okay, it is Gemini. Weekly digest, hello. This week we're seeing massive influx of capital into AI, defense sectors, and etc. And this Airtable, link not provided. Now this link was provided with Gemini. Now here it says not provided. Introducing AI auto edit. Watch the short. Okay. Wolf, Crunchbase news. We can go to the news. Well, this is Gemini's. You see, this is ChatGPT's. Okay, link is not provided again. Pretty much same, but at least this link is provided here. And this is Mistral's. It looks pretty bad, but it's functional. Maybe with some better prompting and etc. it's gonna be good for free one. Or you generate the template with Gemini or the other ones, or Cloud, and after that you use the same template and get the summaries and everything with Mistral. So yeah, this is gonna be it. Newsletter digesting. So this is the place that you can put your inputs, get transcripts, and etc. Here you can say exactly what kind of summary you want and what information exactly you are interested in. Then you are compiling the digest and coding it into HTML. And this way even you can do your own newsletter to subscribe people, and you can have in Google Sheet, for example, here your affiliate links and etc. So you can make money from it. You can include the affiliate links, and every time it's gonna include them into your newsletter. And yeah, I think this is how to go from information overload to clarity and action, for example, automatically. If you want the newsletter summary workflow, the link is below. And the full course and mentorship in the academy is open. The link is below as well. And drop your next automation challenge or join the free group so I can check your questions or comments so I can make new videos for you. And see you in the next video. Thank you.